everyone, I'm Oath. I live in the United States. Today I would like to present my burrito. I am very proud of myself as I don't like to cook and I have no idea about burrito. Then I want to show you what's going on when I make it. My husband asked me that he would like to eat burrito, then I would like to challenge myself if I can make it. So I searched on YouTube. I watched at least 10 videos, which I didn't pick them because I feel they were very difficult for me until I got the last one, the 11th, which looked very easy. Then I grabbed that video to be my sample, and I went shopping. I got ingredient cumin, that is the most important ingredient which make the taste as Mexican, I guess. Anyway, I forgot to buy Mexican cheese, so I just used the cheese which I add in hamburger, and I also mix the vegetable. I forgot the name. It's called something something. It's made like tomatoes, cucumbers, cilantro, pepper, jalapeno, something about that. I don't remember the name. I'm not very good at cooking, so forgive me. I can't remember the name. Even in Thai ingredient, I still have no idea what are they. Anyway, I like at the last postage, fry with butter for 3 minutes each side, and it came out brown, and then cut half. Look very crunchy, right? Yes, and the most important is my husband love it. Even though he asked me next time I cook this, please add less rice and more meat. Anyway, on the next day, I make again, but this time I create as Thai ingredient as I want to eat. So I add Thai chili stir fry in oil, and the taste was very good for me. It's so tasty. Anyway, for today I would like to show you how I did with my ingredient, and today I add fried egg too. Believe me, I really love the last one because the taste is as my tongue Thai tastes. So if you would like to follow my ingredient and try, please go ahead and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching and enjoy your meal. Bye!